rising good afternoon to all. I am Soumya Pradarshini, representing from OAP Adoi Mahakalpura.
Myself, Nandana, I am from OAP Adoi Mahakalpura.
Myself, Dixit Aradhna, I am from OAP Mahakalpura.
Myself, Sonax Dixit, I am also OAP Adoi Mahakalpura.
True, the vision of Vikshit Bharat by 2047, me and my groups are selecting on vocal for local, and our topic is on famous food of Kendrapada, that is Rasabali and Kotali Pilla. So, what is vocal for local? It is an innovative to reduce the and boost the economic power of our country. It aims to develop our country in many fields like purchasing good by and what is vocal for local? It means an innovative for domestic productions and consumption. It aims to reduce reliance in the field of what is vocal for local? It is an innovative for the production of domestic production and consumption.
What is vocal for local? What is vocal for local?
What is vocal for local? It is an innovative to promote domestic production and consumption. It aims to reduce reliance in the field of like importing, and we can do it by purchasing our local made goods. It also aims to boost the economic and create the job opportunities by the help of or by the support of manufacturers, small businessmen or artisans. It is inspired from the historical Swadeshi movement, but today it is framed as global and economic development of our country.
The topic is about Rasabali. Rasabali is the famous and food dish of Kerala. Rasabali was cultivated for the Vallabhvi temple on the presiding deity in Kendrapada. It is one of the chocolate folk made at Lord Jagannath Puri. The dish is transferred from a cat temple for the transformation offering a cultural icon for the
कह कह काटी दवा कह
Okay,